Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best day trading Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Day trading is a style of trading where traders practice the buying and selling of Forex in a short time frame, typically within a day. Day trading is largely focused on the volatility of the Forex market. Day traders often make great use of leverage to open larger positions despite their initial deposits or the balance in their trading accounts. This provides ample opportunity for great gains. However, it presents traders with equal amounts of risk to losing their funds. Traders who are searching for some of the best day trading Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best day trading Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. At number 4 on our list is Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 2 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers clients the option to trade with Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, and ECN accounts. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading and swap-free accounts are also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics, from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best day trading Forex brokers, we have Octa FX. Octa FX is a popular social trading Forex broker that was founded in 2011, and they have won more than 40 industry awards over the years. By trading with Octa FX, you will have access to commission-free accounts with tight spreads. This broker currently offers over 30 currency pairs, along with over a dozen popular cryptocurrencies, energies, and indices. Their accounts are suitable for trading gold and silver, and we recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading CFDs. There are 2 types of live trading accounts that you can open with Octa FX, and they give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. You can open either a MetaTrader 4 account or a MetaTrader 5 account by depositing at least $100, and both of these accounts are commission-free that offer flexible spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Octa FX provides high-quality educational resources such as market insights, reliable Forex news, and technical analysis reports. There are also plenty of helpful trading guides and educational videos that you can watch to learn the basics of Forex trading, along with platform tutorials, quick guides that cover some of the most popular trading strategies, and their market information section can be used to easily monitor market events, trading hours, Forex news, and much more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational content with Octa FX. And those are some of the top 5 best day trading Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.